I want to take a few moments to just talk about a whole house surge protector. This is one that I got installed by Kalahari Electrical Services, so these are their details that I'll link in the description below as well in case you're in the greater Atlanta area and you want one done. But super important, as you can see, that surge protector goes on the bottom of the panel and then it's got a direct link to the ground. So what happens is, if there's any kind of surge that comes from the power company, which is not perfect, obviously we're in Atlanta area, there's a lot of trees, so trees fall down, it hits the line, causes a surge, lightning or anything like that can cause a surge onto your main line. What this will do is it'll pick that up and it'll send it straight to ground, make sure that it doesn't go into the house. So that's important because every appliance you have in the house and everything on the electrical could be affected by electrical surge. So computers, electronics, anything like that, super important. Rather have one of these put in than replace all your computers, your TVs, or anything like that. Now, my house is completely protected because not only did I have Kalahari do the surge protector, they also put in 2 grounding rods to make sure that the house is very well grounded. This one is just put into the basement onto rebar standard, which is not good practice. So we added 2 grounding rods, and then I have a fiber internet connection, so there's no electrical hookup coming into the house. That's all fiber, so no chance for electrical surge. And then I have this protector, which I just check, once a week when I walk around and do my trash. I just make sure that that green light is on, so the protector's still working. Now, the other important thing that they did is they added another surge protector onto the AC unit. Now, what's really important about this is these are big appliances that pull a lot of power, and if something goes wrong with that, it can actually backfeed a surge into your system. So this way I'm protected on electrical grid side with the main whole house surge protector, but I'm also protected from this appliance, so it's on its own one, so nothing can be coming towards the appliance, but there's also nothing that can be backfed back into the house. And this is something that I would really recommend if you do have a house, because all your appliances and electronics are obviously a very expensive part of the home. And if you want one done, I would contact Kalahari Electrical Services.